mistrust in Afro that sealed her fate. Now I must kill him. For her. For all of them. Master, Otsuru, all the others.
Come on, Gino. Afro is this way.
Otsuru! Come back! Where are you going? Come back! Sasuke, how did you... No. No, you're dead!
Everyone is waiting, Gino. Hurry!
Hold on! I'm coming! Otsuru?
Over here, Gino! I found Swordmaster and Sasuke!
Otsuru! No. Not again. Not again! No! Otsuru! All of you are dead! I saw that with my own eyes. This isn't real. This can't be real. I saw you all dead! Master... What are you doing? Why are you here? I cannot fight you. Don't make me relive this. Master, no! Stop it! This cannot be. This cannot be!
Catch me, Gino.
Otsuru! Otsuru! Leave her alone! Don't go near her! Otsuru! Damn it! Ow! 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 Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Come on, Gino. Afro is this way.
I must find Otsuru. I must find Afro. Otsuru! Come back! Afro? What have you done? What have you done? You killed our father? What have you done? Fuck! Otsuru!
Everyone is waiting, Gino. Hurry!
Oh no. Where's Otsuru? Otsuru!
Look, Gino, over here.
Ninja! Ninja-class warriors are smart, cunning, and very unpredictable. They move quickly and can attack in ways that'll make them hard for your combat system to track. They are hard to destroy quickly, so make sure you combine Master Style and Kuma Style to keep them under control.
Fuck!
Hey!
No!
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 Ah!
Fuck!
Ah!
No! No!
Ow!
Ah!
Oh! Oh! Motherfucker! Hey!
Ah!
Oh!
No!
Ow! 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 Ow!
Look, they're all here. Now we are all together, Gino. Look, it doesn't hurt anymore. See? I told you they were here. Now we are all together. Forever.
This is the last leg in Kuma's